Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the heat press and the EasyPress 2 and helping you decide which is right for you. If you're going to be using heat transfer vinyl, it's definitely a good idea to invest in a press. Using a press helps to apply even heat and pressure and to make sure your vinyl is placed onto your project permanently. Both the heat press and the EasyPress 2 deliver professional level results, and it's important to pick the press that is right for you. Both presses provide adequate heat and pressure for an even press, and they both have time and temperature control. They both have evenly heated plates to press your projects with, but after that, this is where the comparison between the two presses would begin. The heat press provides pressure with a handle system. The machine is bigger, so you'll need more room in your craft space, and it's heavier, so it's meant to stay in one area and not to be portable. It has a heavier, sturdy design, and it has adjustable pressure controls. This machine will provide the pressure for you. To use either press, you would cut and weed your design, place it over your material, and use the proper heat setting and time. The EasyPress 2 comes in a selection of 3 sizes. There's a 6x7, which is a perfect sidekick, a 9x9, and a 10x12, and that's the size that I'm using today. The EasyPress 2 is meant to be more portable, it's light and easy to lift, and it has a fast heat up time. It also comes with customer support should you have any troubles. The EasyPress 2 gets rid of the myth that there has to be a ton of pressure to apply heat transfer properly. You only need the pressure of the press with one or both hands, and your project will have perfect results. So when deciding which machine to buy, you'll want to think about which machine will fit into your workspace, if you want a heavy-bodied machine that can't be moved, or if you would like one to be more portable. The EasyPress 2 also makes difficult projects such as hats, bags, baby clothes, and blankets easier to press because of its convenience. For the ultimate test, I pressed a shirt with a heat press and one with the EasyPress. I washed them both 100 times and dried them, and the vinyl held perfectly. Both machines are great for your personal or business type projects. When picking a heat press, be sure to do research before buying, and when buying from Cricut, you can rest assured that your product is equipped with the highest safety features and has been product tested. So thanks for watching. Like the video if it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time, thanks guys.